Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to flip photos in Google Photos. So, in front of me I have Android phone and iOS. On Android, open Google Photos. Then you need to find a picture what you wanna flip. Let's say this one. Click at the edit at the bottom, and right here we have flip icon. So tap at this icon and we just flip it, so you can click save as copy. Also near to the flip button we have rotate button, so if you want to rotate your photo you can also do this. And on the iPhone, Google Photos, then let's find some photo to flip. Okay, let's say this one. Then click edit. Go to the crop. But right here we have only option to rotate this photo. We cannot flip it, as you can see, nothing. So only rotate. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!